guys, nice to see you again. So today we're going to learn about expressions. So I'm going to write expressions because there are many expressions, like one expression, maybe a whole bunch of expressions, or maybe like 40 multiplied with c and minus a, like that. So that's called expressions. So some has 1, some has 2, and some even has 3 or 4 or 5 or more if you want. So let's understand what are expressions. So you might probably understand this because we just replace these numbers with the letters. So here n is 60. So we're at 60 plus n is 40. And then multiply with p is 2. So now we just need to multiply each together. So here's 10. So here's 12. So 20 it is. So the answer is 20. Very easy, very simple. Actually, we can't write 20 like this. It's wrong because first we have to multiply this first and then we do this. So here's 80. Okay, so I erased this, so we have to move it here. Here we go. So now we'll just plus these together. So it's real easy. If you don't know how to plus these together, we could just erase the zeros. You see, we just need to erase the zeros. After that, we just need to plus these together and add a 0 at each one. So we just put it like this. 0, 8 plus 6 equals 40. 14. So here's the answer. So now you got it, guys. So it has many consequences. So you might understand this because it's really hard. Fourth grade, it must be very easy. So this one is the opposite. So all of these, you just need to switch the numbers with the letters with the numbers. Actually, let's guess here's 140. So here's examples. You see? That's how we do it. So the others, here we go. Here we'll just replace it. 60 minus 240, and then multiply with 2 equals, here's 20. So I multiply with 2 is 40. Here, as we plus together, is 10. Divide with 2, it's 5. Here, just need to add another 0 because when we plus it together, it makes 100. So when 100 divides to 2, it equals to 50. So we're at 50. So here's definitely, we aren't going to choose A because we're asking the smallest. So here it's kind of right, but let's just check the others. Here we'll multiply with 2, it's 80. So now we'll take 80 and minus with 60. So 80 minus 60 equals 20. So now we know the answer. It's D, who was at it. So it's a less is. So here, when we divide something, the n is the biggest even number, which has one number. So this one is kind of a riddle here. So these are examples of how we do it. So we don't really need to calculate it at all. So it's just examples so you can understand better. So now n is going to be 8. And we choose 9, it's an odd number already. So here's, we are going to erase this into 8. Let's divide these together. 8 divide with 8. There. 36 divides to 8 equals to, if it's 5, it's 40. So which number will fit? So it's only 4. 4 is 36. Wait, let's check it. 4 is 32. Yes, 4 is 32. So 4 is perfect. 32. Here's 48. So here's 6, 0. So the answer is 46. So now we know the answer. This one is much more easier. But first we have to do this and then minus these together. So here what equals to 45 minus 1. And actually I mistake this. It looks like a weird number, so I couldn't see it at all. So here is 5. Remember 4. It's 340. Right. So now we'll minus 2. 140 plus 88. And it equals, still keeps it like this. But we'll minus it with 2. Here plus one more 2. It's 4, I think. Yep, it is. So here's 2. Now I forgot, this one's not remember 2. So let's just put it up here so that we won't mistake anything. Here's 2. Remember it was 1, 3, 2. That's correct. This one's correct. Here is 3, 1, 1. So the answer is 113. So this was very funny, don't you think? But now there's what? A harder one. But actually it's real easy, right? First we just need to find it in the comma first. After we find it in the comma, we'll multiply with 10. Well, 10 we just need to add 1. So it will be very easy. So let's add it together. First put it down. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1. That's an odd number. But let's just here's the answer. I wrote it out. So now we just need to add one more. So we answered all of the quiz, and we don't even need to learn the new one because you're so smart and understand everything. So let's review a little. So here there are lots of expressions that we need to know. Like there are 1, or maybe there are 2, maybe there are 3, maybe there are 4, maybe there are 5. There's a lot of it. So it's very easy for us to mistake it. Just a little bit of not carefulness, you could just forget. So like here, when I was careless, I can mistake this, and maybe it will keep one more, right? It'll just keep one more, and everything will be wrong and in not totally place. So now you understand the ones that were. So also, there are lots of things you need to know too. We just need to replace the letters with numbers. So that's all for today.